How to use Twitter Spaces. How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use Twitter Spaces. Twitter Spaces are a new feature that allows you to host live audio conversations with up to 13 people. They're a great way to connect with your audience, share ideas, and build relationships. Step 1. Open Twitter Spaces. The first step is to open Twitter Spaces. On the Twitter app, tap the Spaces icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Start a space. To start a space, tap the Start Your Space button. You can then give your space a name, add topics, and invite people to join. Step 3. Speak in a space. To speak in a space, tap and hold the microphone icon. You can also mute or unmute yourself at any time. Step 4. Listen to a space. To listen to a space, tap the space you want to listen to. You can also see who is speaking in the space and who is listening. Step 5. Manage your space. As the host of a space, you can manage who can speak, mute, or unmute people, and end the space. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want hands-on help with your social media content and strategy, reach out to our team at Amplify Social Media and schedule a call. We would love to help.